Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to be doing another cooking segment of cooking with me, and we're going to be cooking my mom's famous flan. So a lot of family members are always asking my mom for the flan recipe, or just always asking my mom to bring her flan to any party they make. And so I'm going to be giving you guys my mom's recipe so you guys could just make it at home anytime you guys want. And I actually got requested from my cousin Pollo, so shout out to Pollo. And let's get started. You're gonna need 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 14 ounces of sweetened milk, 10 eggs, 29 ounces of peach slices, and 1 cup of sugar. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab a pot that's good enough for your flan mold, and then you're going to add 1 cup of sugar into the pan and put the heat on medium. Add 1 1/4 a teaspoon of water and mix it all together, and just keep mixing it until it's brown in color, kind of like caramel. The bottom of your pan should look like this, kind of like a caramel brown color, and then just put the heat on low. Then you're gonna want to transfer it over out of the heat so it won't burn, and just let it cool down for a bit. This is how it should look like when it cools down, and then grab your mittens and move the pot around to get the sugar on the side of the pan. Now we're gonna make the main part of the flan, which is the jello-like texture, and we're gonna add 10 eggs into our bowl. Now we're gonna whisk all of our eggs together, and my mom actually corrected me on this. You're gonna want to use an electric blender. It'll make it much faster and much easier for the next steps to come. Now we're gonna add our sweetened milk, and we're gonna add 2 cans of it, and then just blend them all together, very well blended. Make sure it's very smooth, not thick. Then we're gonna add our 2 cans of condensed milk, and then again blend them very well together. Make sure it's not thick at all. Then we're gonna drain out all the syrup from the peaches and add in our peaches. Next, we're gonna grab our flan mold and then add in the mixture we just made, and very carefully make sure nothing spills. This is what your flan will look like right before putting it into the oven. I almost forgot, you're gonna want to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Then you're gonna put your flan into your oven to bake at 350 for 1 hour.
1 hour later.
You're gonna put a knife in the middle of the flan, and if it comes out clear, it's good to go, but if it doesn't, it's gonna need another 30 minutes. Now when it's ready, you're gonna want to grab a plate that's slightly larger than the pan and put it on top, and just flip it, and then carefully take out the pan, and it should look like this. Now, if you want to get all fancy, you could add a couple of peach slices on top to form a flower, and there you go. How cute. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and it was easy enough for you guys to follow. If you guys have any questions, comment down below or just message me. You guys already know where to hit me up. And don't forget to subscribe, please. It'll help my channel a lot. And I'll see you guys the next video.